Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Automation School. Now, as we all know, YouTube automation is the method of creating, posting, and managing your YouTube videos automatically by leveraging scalable software solutions and an ironclad team of freelancers. A YouTube cash cow channel is one that can bring in the big bank, whether that be from YouTube AdSense revenue or one of the 10+ other monetization methods. By setting up a YouTube cash cow channel, you could earn some sizable income with the methods of YouTube automation. But first, you should concentrate on making excellent videos that are both educational and entertaining if you want to build a successful YouTube cash cow channel. In order for your channel to expand rapidly, you need to be sure to publish videos frequently. So in this video, we will be showing you 5 different tutorials that can help your cash cow channel go from 0 to 10K real quick. So please, make sure to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest information regarding this life-changing means of creating wealth. And don't forget to stick around to the end. We have some secret sauce just for you. 1. Can I create an automated YouTube channel in 24 hours? By RPA Champion. This YouTube channel covers RPA and intelligent automation news, lessons, and advice with a particular concentration on Microsoft Power Automate tutorials. They also share their perspective and experiences learned after more than 12 years in the field. You will become familiar with tools like Blue Prism, UiPath, Power Automate, Softmotive, and others. This video would help you understand how to create your YouTube automation channel without wasting so much time. 2. Complete YouTube automation tutorial for beginners. Make money on YouTube without making videos by Vlasyev. If you are ready to learn how to start your automation channel, this video is the best as they have carefully explained the beginning stage of the automation process. Another YouTube channel that uploads useful tutorials on the important things that entail starting a YouTube cash cow channel. One of the fastest growing ways to monetize YouTube is through automation, so that you can fully concentrate on producing top-notch content for your audience. You can schedule your videos for uploading weeks in advance using automation. Learn more on this tutorial. 3. YouTube automation. How to make big money on YouTube by Preece. Preece runs a YouTube channel situated in the UK. He creates videos to assist YouTubers in creating reliable, automatic income streams from their channels. As a YouTuber, he imparts the knowledge he has gained by marketing his own digital goods and services. In order to demonstrate what business concepts YouTubers are now adopting to generate automated money from their YouTube videos, he also analyzes the creator economy and conducts interviews with YouTubers. Preece has made this video to guide you through the process of making it big with your own channel. 4. How I Exploded a Secret YouTube Automation Channel by Youri Van Hofwegen. There are certain must-know secrets in the process of YouTube automation. Find out about them in this video. The concept behind YouTube automation is that you can create a YouTube channel, produce videos, and earn money from the ads that appear on those videos, all without ever having to appear in person. There are a ton of these YouTube channels using this method to make an incredible killing. And this channel is just what you need if you have troubles with YouTube automation. When it comes to automation, Youri is one of the GOATs hands down. 5. 0 to $100,000 with YouTube automation as a teenager. Razvan Paraschiv by Dave Nick. A content creation team made up of a playwright, voice actor, and editor is hired by a YouTube automator, a relatively passive business model, to produce the videos for you. You are only accountable for coming up with the concept for the video, supervising the crew, uploading the videos, and collecting the AdSense payments. This video will explain to you the process of making up to $100,000 with your YouTube automation channel. Now for the juiciest part of this video, we will also be giving bonus tips on the best tools to use for your YouTube automation channels. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Media Mister. One of the most well-liked automation solutions for YouTube and virtually all other social media sites is called Media Mister. They offer a variety of features, exceptional customer service, and tiered pricing. You can purchase packages based on your budget by using tier pricing. However, as they don't offer a free trial, you might not be able to receive one. They will advance you in the manner in which you merit advancement. TubeAssist Pro. TubeAssist Pro is an application that is solely focused on YouTube and does not provide services for any other social media network. Due to its focus on a single platform, it ensures that all of its work complies with YouTube's rules and regulations. It will speak for you while commenting on approving, or criticizing the YouTube material of other channels. Content Studio. You can manage all of your profiles and channels on different social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, YouTube, etc. using Content Studio, a premier one-stop shop. As a tool for YouTube automation, it enables you to identify high-value material in your niche, create content for your channel automatically, engage with your audience, and stay informed about how things are going. Video Marketing Blaster. This is the go-to bot service for beginners. It gives you the time to focus on producing content rather than having to worry about marketing it. As a result, it will give you the tools necessary to advertise your content to a larger audience. This guarantees value for a producer of high-quality material. It cannot, however, be used without Windows. vidIQ. vidIQ was developed to help YouTube filmmakers locate subjects and keywords for their videos. The tool also offers a complete selection of YouTube SEO capabilities to aid in the creation of SEO-friendly tags, titles, and descriptions. Here at Automation School, we love vidIQ as it is a must-have for keyword research. This is necessary for your videos to gain niche dominance quickly via the YouTube search optimization method. Stay tuned. We will talk more about this method in depth in a following video, so be sure not to miss out. Follow Us Up. Follow Us Up provides services for multiple social media platforms. They will wow you with the growth they bring to your YouTube channel once you are done with your membership. A major plus is their money-back promise. They treat your information with respect and give you a secure working environment. ASB YouTube Bot. They have robots that carry out tasks as though they were being done by people. The management of many YouTube accounts is possible with ASB, like with many other automation solutions. Increasing the activity and traffic to your channel also enables you to work with the YouTube algorithm. As a result, expansion no longer poses a difficulty for your channel, which becomes intensely competitive. Socinator. If you sign up for Socinator, you agree to a multi-social media bot. You can use it to market on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Additionally, it enables you to schedule your articles across multiple platforms, relieving you of the stress of meeting deadlines. Their ongoing tool updates make their services even more current. They also offer services on websites including Twitter, Reddit, and Quora. Sides Media. Like other systems, Sides Media enables you to manage a variety of social networking sites. They guarantee you a profile that will enable you to soar above YouTube competition. You will be astounded by their money-back promise and amazing customer satisfaction. There isn't a free trial available though. Get a follower. You might not have the financial resources that many of your rivals do to take advantage of more features and better promotion as a YouTube content creator who hopes to make money from it. Get a Follower is the platform for someone like you who isn't a YouTube giant and merely needs exceptional talents to maintain high traffic on their channel. Although Get a Follower is also entirely secure, there is no free trial available. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to Automation School, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment about any topics you would like to hear about in upcoming videos. Until next time, see you later, Automators.